Blender is a 3D computer graphics software toolset used for creating animated film, visual effects, art, 3D printed models, motion graphics, interactive 3D application, and computer games. Initially, this program, despite having a robust structure, was difficult to learn, especially for those that were entering for the first time in the world of 3D modeling. But since 2019, with version 2.8, Blender became an highly competitive program to carry out professional projects of various kinds. In this introductory course of 3D modeling with Blender 2.8, we'll focus on the fundamental aspect of the program, learning in an intuitive and progressive way how to use its main functionalities. Besides, you will learn how to use and customize the Blender 2.8 window system and how to create your personal workspace. In every lecture, I will also include simple examples that will make you better understand what 3D modeling is and how it works. This is a good course for absolute beginners, but also for people that have used or are already using 3D modeling programs and want to switch to Blender. Besides, this software is open source, it's distributed free by the Blender Foundation, and can be installed on different operating systems. I can't wait to see you in the course. Sign up now and I'll see you in there.